everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a little drop test video of these mags here that y'all see me measure how much they can't, the followers can't and everything. So we got the aluminum GI mag, the windowed PMAG, the AMEND2 mag, and the HEX mag. So the first drop is going to be drop base down, right, in the grass, then the rocks, and the concrete. Then another one we're going to do is I'm going to take it, kind of like do a toss, you know, like if you're in a combat situation, kind of do a toss to the grass, over to the rock, and then onto the concrete to see how they do. All right, so we're going to go with the GI mag first. Here we go. So GI mag, and it's roughly 5 feet. This is just a test to make sure that if you drop one of your magazines, you don't lose your ammo. So drop one, nothing. HEX mag, nothing. AMEND2 mag, and PMAG. And look, PMAG lost one. So there you go. All right, so I'm going to pick everything up, kind of give them a good smackaroo on my hands. Just to kind of seek the bullets and stuff like that. All right, so we're going to move. So this is the next test we're going to do is over here in the rocks. So I'm going to start off with the GI mag, so roughly 5 feet. Nothing came out. AMEND2 mag. Nothing came out. PMAG. Nothing came out. And the HEX mag. Nothing came out. Okay. And then we're going to move over to the concrete here on my walkway. So I got to reset. So here you go, concrete. That was the GI mag. Here's the AMEND2 mag. One come out, as you can see. Then the PMAG. Nothing come out of it. And then the HEX mag. Whoa, look at that one. That went fine. Two came out of it, because look, there's one right there. So we had two come out of the HEX mag and one out of the what, the AMEND2 mag?
Yes.
All right. So we're gonna put those back in there. As you can see, the rounds kind of, thought they started getting a little canted or whatever in there. Either way, so this is just to help people decide on what mags they want to buy before they buy them. So, okay. So you're probably gonna have to stand back over a little bit. And so this is gonna be a toss, pretty much like you're tossing your buddy one. So here, catch. Okay, that was a PMAG, one come out of it. And here's the GI mag. As you can see, the GI mag, the little aluminum plate here, bent already. So, and the thing is, if you bend it too much, it'll break. So, it is what it is. So here's the GI mag, catch. Nothing. Here's the AMEND2 mag. And here's the HEX mag. Nothing. Okay. So the only one we lost one out of was, which was that? The PMAG?
I think so.
Alright. Here we go. So that thing's getting more bent. Cool thing, I just buy new ones. Anyway. So I'm going to toss them over to the rocks here. So here goes the GI mag. So I'm throwing them about roughly 8 to 10 feet away. So that was the GI mag, the AMEND2 mag. Nothing came out. The PMAG. Nothing came out. And then the HEX mag. And nothing came out. And as you can see, that's actually bending pretty good. So all the rounds look normal in the GI mag. So straighten that out. So the only one that kind of looked like things are starting to get a little, I wouldn't really say really getting a little funky, but the only thing I don't like about any of these polymer mags is they start scraping off part of the corner. So it's not even going back in there. Doing that. There you go. So I got them all seated back in there. How should be? Let's go with the PMAG. All right, so here goes. So the last little throw is going to be, the net is roughly 12 feet away. So concrete. That was a PMAG. It lost 4 casings. Here's a GI mag. That lost 2 casings, rounds. That was the HEX mag. It lost 1. And then here goes the AMEND2 mag. And it lost 2. So other than that, okay, so you can see, yeah, just scratch them up, polymer mags, they get all scratched up, whatever. Then that's pretty much all the damage. So this is a little bit more scratched up now. I don't think it'll affect anything. And then, so we got the HEX mag, got some scratches on it. See how the next round's going. So pretty much if you're throwing these, you're in a situation you have to toss these to your buddy and he doesn't catch it, or like hits a car, bounces around, slides down the road or whatever. You might have a few rounds come out. And then here goes the AMEND2 mag. As you can see how it's scratched up a little bit. So other than that, you know, not bad. So how many rounds total had come out? So we had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I did this just to show you guys like how different magazines react to dropping them, tossing them, whatever, and all that stuff. So if you guys like my channel and you like seeing this stuff, then make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications button, all that stuff. And if you want to donate, I'll leave my Patreon link below. And but there we go. Like I said, they should still work. They're just a little beat up. But that right there ain't really a huge deal because it's not coming out. So, other than that, thanks for watching. Stay strong and God bless America.